Hello friends, today for phonics we're going to be looking at some spelling patterns. So on the screen you see 3 words and we are going to read these words out loud and see what we notice about them. So let's look at the first word. We see a T that says T, A says A, and P says P. Let's put those sounds together to say this word. T, app, tap. So we see T, app, tap. Let's look at the next word. We see an L, L says L. We see an A says A. And we see a P, P makes the P sound. Let's put those sounds together. L, app, lap. And last but not least, we see this word down here starts with an M, A, P, map. So we have tap, lap, and map. Take a second and think about what you notice about these words. Do they have anything in common? All 3 of these words end in AP. They all have the same ending. Let's go through and see what that ending sounds like. So T, app, tap. That AP says app. Let's look at the next word. L, app, lap. The AP says app. And finally, we have app, map. AP says app. We know that all of these words have a different first letter but the same ending sound. We can use that knowledge to help us make other words or to help us read other words. So now we know if a word ends in AP, it's probably going to sound like app, just with a different beginning letter. Best to take a second and try to read these 2 new words that I put on the screen. This one and this one. See if you can read those words out loud. I know that the CL says cl, and I know the AP says app. So we're going to put cl and app together. Cl, app, clap. Let's look at the next one. We see STR, so that's going to make a sound, and we know the AP says app. Let's try to say this word. Strap, app, strap. So we have clap and strap. 2 new words. What do you notice about these 2 new words? You're right, they end in AP. It makes the app sound. App, just like the other words. All we did was change the beginning sound, the beginning letters. Look at the words over here. So the words on the left side, we already talked about. They end in AP, which makes the app sound. Now we're going to look at these words. Take a second and see if you can read these words. All right, let's look. D-A, day. S-A, say. M-A, may. What do you notice about all of these words? If you said that they end in AY, you are right. They all end in the letters AY, and they all have the same ending sound. A. All we have to do is change the beginning sound to make a new word. D-A, day. S-A, say. M-A, may. So all of these words end in AP and they end in the app sound. And all of these words end in AY. They make the A sound. For both of these spelling patterns, you can change the beginning letters to make a new word. So today for your assignment, you guys are going to be using the ending AP, app, and the ending AY, A, and you're going to change the beginning sound to make a new word. And you are going to upload a picture of your work or text a picture of your work to your teacher.